It is a journey, an exciting journey towards many areas of financial knowledge. The Master in Corporate Finance, MCF, it is also an experience, a unique experience that really makes a major change in students' professional and personal lives. Today's economic scenario is characterized by complexity and uncertainty, where finance has a key role in modeling a new financial system that addresses capital to those investments that support a resilient and sustainable economic growth. We are providing students with a solid knowledge and a solid approach to deal with this complexity, combining the academic knowledge of our faculty together with the practical experiences of the wide network of professionals and companies that characterize the MCF program. Milan is currently the place to be, not only because it's one of the most important financial centers in the European Union, but also because it's the city where students and workers come from all over the world to find new business opportunities. This makes the life challenging, demanding, but also exciting at the same time. And one of the most important value added to be in this city is SDA Bocconi School of Management and our beautiful campus. 45,000 square meters close to the city center with the most advanced technologies and the most advanced learning tools. MCF is growth, change and respect.